Honestly, I didn't have any plan to make this video, but OpenAI just announced something that shocked everyone. Not just you and me, but all the big YouTubers and tech fellows. And it is the biggest announcement of this year in this AI revolution. But before we move forward, check out these videos from OpenAI. All these videos were not shot by a professional camera or by a filmmaker. These were created by OpenAI's new text to video model called Sora. Can you imagine? Nobody has expected this level of improvement in text to video model. Before, we have so many text to video generator tools like Runway ML, but all these are not up to the mark the way this new model is. In this video, I will break down everything like what Sora is all about, how it works, how they trained Sora to create this type of amazing video, and also what are the limitations that model has till of now. We will cover everything, so stay tuned till end of this video. And also, if you are an AI enthusiast like me, then do not forget to like and subscribe this channel, as we have a mission to educate and prepare everyone on this AI revolution period. So let's get started. Basically, Sora is an AI model that can generate realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions like prompt. You can give it a short description or prompt of what you want to see, and it will create a video for you in minutes. Yes, in minutes. You can also give it a still image or an existing video, and it will extend it with new content based on your text. Now, what makes Sora unique? Sora can generate videos up to 1 minute long with high resolution and high quality, and with complex camera motion and multiple characters. So what makes this model so special to create these amazing scenes? What technology is working behind it? Let me make you understand it in a very easy way. So Sora is based on a technique called diffusion, and it leverages several key innovations to turn your text description into stunning videos. It starts with the videos that's pure visual noise like static on an old TV. Over many steps, it denoises this image, transforming it into the video you have described. This process is guided by your text prompt. Sora is designed to understand video not just as a series of frames, but as concept over time. This allows it to make sure objects stay consistent even if they go off screen temporarily, and also extend existing videos seamlessly, maintaining the original style and flow. It uses a similar transformer architecture to powerful language models like GPT. This enables better scaling, meaning it can handle ever larger and more complex requests as it continues to learn. Sora does not see images and videos as one whole piece. It breaks them down into smaller patches, similar to how language models work with individual words or tokens. This patch-based approach lets Sora work with images and videos of different size and styles with incredible flexibility. It uses Dolly's recaptioning technique, taking in image data and creating precise descriptions. This teaches Sora how to connect words and visual closely, and it draws from GPT language expertise, helping it understand and follow complex instructions. So this is how it works. But why is this cool? It's like having a magical art studio powered by your words. Let's say you have some awesome scenes in your head for a movie, for example, dragon fight in a castle, but you can't draw. Sora lets you try it out without needing an entire animation team. Similarly, teachers can make history explode off the page with Sora videos. It's a whole new way to be creative. Now let's talk about some limitations that Sora has. No doubt it's a wonderful model, and it can revolutionize the video creation and consumption, and also it can have many uses in education, entertainment, journalism, and many more. It can also unleash our creativity and imagination and enable us to tell stories that were never possible before. But it also has some limitations and risks such as the video length, the errors or glitches, and the ethical and social issues such as the potential for misuse, manipulation, or deception. How can we ensure that Sora is used for good and not for evil? How can we verify the authenticity and the source of the video that we see online? How can we protect the rights and privacy of the people and the content that are used by Sora? These are some of the questions that we need to think about as we enter the era of text to video. It's an amazing tool, but it also comes with great responsibility. We need to be aware of the benefits and the risk of using Sora and use it wisely and ethically. OpenAI and their teams are working on it. That's why they have not released it yet. But it will be released by the end of this year, which is a great update. That's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI stuff. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of Sora and what kind of videos you would like to see it create. I'll definitely make a video once it's released, so do not forget to subscribe.